Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I got a new boat. Sorta. My brother brought it down. And we're gonna try to get it up and running. Between my brother and I, if we get it up and running, we'll have a boat that we can use. If nothing else, it could be a rowboat. But I think the biggest thing is it probably just needs a new motor, which is the most expensive part. But we got a boat guy around the corner I could probably take it to get that fixed. I haven't asked my brother exactly what's wrong with it, but yeah. So we'll work on this periodically also. Looks like it needs a new floor. And battery. But yeah. And tires. But it made it down here from Kansas City, so the tires will last a little bit longer. But we'll worry about tires last. So I got it all locked up so nobody takes it. I'm gonna leave it here for now till I get more gravel brought in to put right here. To move that container over there that Judas was using that he rent. I gotta also buy more lumber for it to redo the floor, because I kept harping on Judas to get his stuff out so I can get it up out of the mud, and he never would. So finally this year I was done with him. I was like, get the fucking shit out of my motherfucking shit and get the fuck out. I was done. And I just had enough. And like I said in the last video, Bill said he's seen this coming for 3 years. And frankly, so did I. But I thought maybe he'd pull his head out of his ass, but he never did. So, he never did. So you can see how bad he treats people's stuff. I mean, you probably already knew that by looking at previous videos. But not only does he treat other people's things this poorly, he treats his own stuff this poorly. I think there's a weld job up there. I ended up having to put Gakko roof on here because he would never maintain it. I eventually had to. He doesn't care. He's a troglodyte. So anyways, once I get gravel in, I've been airing that thing out. He had another place to move his stuff, but the guy said you can't have any moldy stuff here. Well, all of his stuff in my container was moldy. So he couldn't move his stuff there. So he ended up moving it over to John's. Well, John's gonna not want it at his place when he finds out he's a pedophile. But I'm afraid to drop that bomb because they'll probably shoot the messenger. So I'm kind of keeping that to myself right now. That's my trump card, if you will. So, yeah. I basically got all the documents, and I'm working on getting more documents to prove my case, just in case there is a case to prove. or you know, if I have to prove it. But I've got enough evidence to convict him now. I just need more, just to say, just so that just so that it's infallible. If you know what I mean. You know, it's like sometimes people will believe you if you don't have any evidence. And then you got other people who won't believe you unless you have enough evidence. So I just want to make sure I have enough evidence. Because Bill, even though Bill was pissed off at him and fed up with him also, he's an enabler, just like I was. And, or am, I don't know. I enabled him, not as much as Bill probably will, but in a different way, maybe. And, but yeah, like I said, I wouldn't have kicked him off the property either unless if he hadn't been sabotaging me and backstabbing me like he did. If he was just lazy and didn't do hardly anything, but he was a good, loyal friend, then I would have just stuck him in the corner, which is what I was planning on doing in the first place. Just stick him in the back corner so he can be a troglodyte bum over there. But then he started fucking me over, so I was like, get the fuck out. And then I started digging and I found out about all the pedophile shit. So he shouldn't have fucked me over and I wouldn't have dug into his past the way I did. But anyways, this is the new boat. I'll move it in the back soon enough. I just hadn't done it yet. I got a lot on my plate right now. It's fine where it is. Till I get the gravel in here to move that container, then I'll move the boat. And I got one of my tanks sold. So, I just got to sell the other two. I actually prefer these anyways. I'll probably want to keep this one. It's the most expensive one also, but I actually kind of want to keep that one. I don't mind selling these two over here though. And this one on the right's already sold. So, yeah, if I keep or sell the other one, I don't care. I'm going to make a profit on either one of them. I'm already making a profit on that one. It looks a little smaller, but I believe they're both 3,000 gallons. 2,500 there, 3,000 there. I don't know where the markers are on this one. This one might be a little shorter, but wider. This one had cattle feed in it at one time. The other one had water in it. So I actually paid a little more for that other one than I did this one. So if I sell this one, I'll actually make a better. Oh, here's the 3,000 mark. So this one's actually just a hair over 3,000 gallons. And that one is 3,000 gallons. So this is probably more like 3,500. So yeah. So yeah, I'm making a profit on that. If I sell this one, I'll make even more money. If I sell it for the same price I sold that one. And then this bad boy, that's a different story. But like I said, I'm going to keep this one probably. I just got to get another cone bottom tank. It's a 3,000 gallon also, but together it'll be 6,000. And ideally, I'd like to get a 3 tank system set up. But this son of a gun's heavy enough as it is. Who are you growling at? Libby? Oh. I know, Libby's mean. She acts all innocent, but she don't like other cats. She likes dogs. Anyways, all right, I gotta run to town, get some gas in my in my pickup truck for my mom if she gets here before I do. And then Sophie's coming down this week. Her birthday's today. Next weekend we're having a birthday party. So, because my birthday's next week. Be nice. I know, Libby probably started it, but Mimi's tough. Mimi, no. Be nice. I know, she's a bitch. Okay, I gotta go. Let the cats fight if they want to. Yeah, Swirl. I think I got this on video the other day. Swirl uh, went at Mimi, and Mimi was like, "Back off, bitch!" and just went after her. And she ran because she can't handle no Mimi. Mimi's the queen bee around here. See what my dispatcher's got. Nothing yet. Let me get my tablet just in case they dispatch me and don't tell me on the Viber. Alright, so I'm gonna run to town, get fuel for my pickup truck, and then run over to Kaplinger. I gotta clean my big truck out too. Run over to Kaplinger, maybe get some stuff done over there, and do a Kaplinger update video as well until I get dispatched. Hey, little guy. There's cats everywhere. It's like Alfred Hitchcock the birds, except Alfred Hitchcock the cats. Okay, bye.